Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you all for joining me for this week's CVS haul. I'm here at CVS to see what deals we can be able to pick up. The good news is that the CRTs are slowly coming back. Hopefully they get better with every single week. So let's see what deals we can be able to grab. For my first transaction, I'll be using a 6 off of 60 next purchase CRT I got last week, and I'll be adding it with the spend 30 get $10 back. Hopefully the whole $6 will go into this to help bring it down. The first item I'll be picking up will be the Tide detergent, priced at $12.99, and also I'll be adding the Tide pod, the big bag, also priced at $12.99 also. To complete the spend 30, I'll be adding the little Tide bag, priced at $5.49. For each one of these Tides I'm picking up, I'll be using a digital coupon, $3 for the detergent and also $3 for the pod. And for the little pod, we have a $1 digital coupon. So this is all digital deal. Let me go grab the rest of the items I'll be needing for the 6 off of 60, and I will show you guys. The next deal I'll be adding to the 6 off of 60 will be on the Nivea. It's on the deal of buy 2, get $5 back. So I'll be picking up 2 of the lip balm at 2 for $6. I will use a 2 off of 2 paper coupon from $9.25 savings set. That will leave me to pay just $4, and I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a $1 money maker. This transaction we'll be adding to this will be the CoverGirl. It's on the deal of buy 3, get $10 back. Everybody received a $4 instant coupon this morning. So what I'll be doing is picking up 3 of the eye pencils at $6.79 each. And we received a $2 printable coupon from coupons.com today. And we also have one in our app. These are the ones I printed out. I'll be using 3 of those. And I'll end up paying just $10.37. And I'll get $10 back, making all 3 items just 37 cents or 12 cents each. To get to 60, I'll be doing the Hallmark deal. It's on the deal of buy 3, get $3 back. But I'll be doing this a little different. I'll be picking up the bags because in the past, whenever we pick up this, it gives back the extra care box. I'll pick up 4, and 4 of them will come up to $1.96 because they are 49 cents each. And I'll use this $2 off of 2 Hallmark card CRT. I'll end up paying 0 and I'll get $3 back. Let me go check out and I'll see if this works out. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything worked out fine. These are all the coupons I used, all the digital and the paper coupon I used for this, and also the 6 off of 60 next purchase CRT, and the $4 instant coupon, and also the Hallmark CRT adjusted down. I ended up using $30 extra care box, paid $2.84 out of pocket, and I got $10 back for the CoverGirl, $10 back for the spend 30, and $5 back for the Nivea. And I'll also be submitting my receipt to Ibotta, and I'll get $1 back for buying 2 of the Nivea lip. So this transaction worked out fine. My next transaction will be on the Maybelline. It's on the deal of spend 15, you get $5 back. The first item I'll be adding will be the lipstick, priced at $8.29. And I have a $2 coupon from 10/16 savings set. And to complete it, I'll pick up the blush at $6.59, and I'll use a $2 from the same savings set. Both of them will come up to $14.88, which is within the 98% rule, because I have a 3 off of 15 Maybelline CRT. These are the coupons I'll be using for both items. I will end up paying just $4.88, and I'll get $5 back, making both items free and a little money maker. Let me go check out, and I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything worked out fine. I forgot to mention that we have a $3 instant coupon that also applied to this. That's how I was able to pay $4.88. I used $4.28 extra care box, paid 60 cents out of pocket, and I got back my $5, making both items free and a little money maker. My next transaction is on the Revlon. I'm sorry I'm not able to film this in the store, but it's on the deal of spend 15, you get $5 back. So what I did was pick up 3 of the Kiss Balm. 2 of them is priced at $6.49. And one of them, that's this one, is priced at $6.99. I used 3 of the $2 coupons. You can find it on coupons.com, and we have one in our app in case you have not used yours. Let me go close. You can see all the coupons I used. I have a 5 off of 20 Revlon CRT, And I also have a $3 Revlon CRT. I used a $5 extra care box, paid 97 cents out of pocket, and I got $5 back. And I scanned my receipt to Ibotta, and 2 of these gave me back $2 each. This ended up making this whole transaction free and a $3.03 money maker. The next transaction I'll be doing will be on the Tresemme. I have a 5 off of 30 email next purchase CRT I'll be using with this transaction. This is on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and it's on sale for 2 for $12. I'll be picking up one of the shampoo and one of the conditioner. We have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that will double dip with the 5 off of 2 paper coupon from 10-16 savings set. So I will end up paying just $2 and I'll get $4 back, making both items free and $2 money maker. My next transaction that I'll be adding to this 5 off of 30 will be on the Colgate. It's on the deal of buy 2 get $4 back, and it's on sale for $3.99. I'll pick up 2 of the Optic Whites, and everybody received a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that were attached to this. And I also have a $1 off coupon I got from coupons.com some time ago. It's no longer available, that also applied to this. I will end up paying just $3.98 and get $4 back, making both items free. I'll be adding the Nivea to this transaction. It's on buy 2 get $5 back. I'll pick up 2 of the lip balm at 2 for $6, and I'll use a 2 off of 2 coupon from $9.25 savings set. End up paying $4 and I'll get $5 back, making it free and a $1 money maker. This is a limit of 1, so I'm using a different card for this. This is everything I'll be adding in this transaction with the 5 off of 30 next purchase CRT. For the Tresemme, I have a 5 off of 2 paper coupon that will be applying to these 2, combined with the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. The Colgate, I have a 3 off of 2 and also a $1 paper coupon. The Nivea, I have a 2 off of 2 paper coupon that will be attaching to it. The Hallmark, I didn't film that, but I picked up 3 of this card, priced at 99 cents each. So let me go check out. I'll be back with my receipt. My receipt, and everything worked out fine. The only thing I didn't show you guys was the Alka-Seltzer. We have an instant coupon today that took off the whole 99 cents. And you can see how all my coupons and CRTs applied. I used $7 extra care box. One of them adjusted down. I got back $3 for the Hallmark. That means the card is working but the bag is not working. And I got $5 back for the Nivea. And I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta to get back $1. And also got $4 back for the Tresemme and another $4 back for the Colgate. This whole transaction ended up being free and a $9 money maker if you add everything together. The next transaction I'll be doing will be on the Eucerin. It's on spend 20 get $10 back. I know this is showing alcohol, but Eucerin is part of the deal. I'll pick up 2 of the skin calming cream at $10.49 each. I have a $2 coupon I got from my doctor's office. I'll be using 2 of them. And I also have a 5 off of 20 CRT. This will bring it down to $11.98. I will pay that and I'll get $10 back, making both items just 99 cents each. Let me go check out. I'll be back with my receipt. I'm back with my receipt. As you can see, everything worked out. This is a very simple transaction. I used $10.06 extra care box to pay for this, and I paid $1.92 out of pocket, and I got back my $10, making each item just 99 cents, which I think is a good deal. Thank you all for watching my video, because this is my last transaction for the day, and I'll see you all next week. Stay safe. Bye-bye.